Hey, it's Gina from WTI. Do you love lifting weights but hate struggling with barbell collars? Well, I have found the perfect solution for you that is going to speed up your routine and be so easy to use. Remember back in the 90s when we all had those snap bracelets? Well, this is exactly the same concept. These SnapClips work so perfectly for keeping your weights in place instead of a barbell collar. It's super convenient just to slap them right in place. You don't have to worry about sliding on a collar and getting it tightened. It holds the weights in place perfectly. We're so impressed with how they don't budge even when my husband is dropping his bumper weights. Another thing about it that we love is how easy they are to store. They're so much smaller than the other collars that we have, and you can also store them flat, and it just doesn't take up any space, and we really like that. It's also cool that you can personalize these with little patches. These SnapClips have been so awesome to use. They're lightweight, they're easy to use, they do exactly what they're supposed to. We definitely recommend them, and that's our point of view.